Hey guys, alright, today we're going to do Advanced Algebra Chapter 8, Section 7, which is called Powers and Roots of Negative Numbers. So we've already talked about negative numbers before when we're talking about exponents. So again, this is just a continuation of Section 7, which you guys all thought was pretty easy, so this shouldn't be too bad. Alright, so if I take negative 4 to the first power, that's just negative 4. Okay, if I take negative 4 squared, remember that's negative 4 times negative 4, and a negative times a negative is positive, so this would be positive 16. If I take negative 4 cubed, remember that that is negative 4 times negative 4 times negative 4. We already said that negative 4 times negative 4 is 16, so if I take 16 times negative 4, that gives me negative 64. Okay, if I take negative 4 to the fourth, well, I know that that's the same thing as negative 4 times negative 4 times negative 4 times negative 4. And I know negative 4 times negative 4 was 16, so basically it's just 16 times 16, which is 256. Okay? If I take negative 4 to the fifth, pretty sure you guys are catching my drift here. This is negative 1024. And if I take negative 4 to the sixth, that's going to be positive 4096. So what you should notice when it says name one pattern you see from your calculations above, you should notice that whenever you have an odd power, you get a negative number. And whenever you have an even power, you get a positive number. That's because we know that a negative times a negative gives me a positive. And that's true for any negative number. So if you have an even power, you're doing sets of two negative numbers, which creates a positive number. So that leads us to our definition. If n is odd and x is negative, then the nth root of x is the nth root of x. Okay, I just wrote it out. N root x is the nth root of x. Okay? So again, if it's odd and you have an odd power and you have a negative number, we can find that root. But if it's an odd power and you have, an even power and you have a negative number, remember that's where your imaginary numbers come in. We can't find roots for those because they're imaginary. So if I want to find the fifth root of negative 243, in my calculator I can type in negative 243 in parentheses and take that to the 1/5 power in parentheses, and I get negative 3. Okay, over here in my calculator, in parentheses, I'm going to type in negative 96 to the 1/5, make sure that's in parentheses too, and I get negative 2.49. Okay. Down here, if I want to find the fifth root of negative 343, I can type in negative 343 to the 1/5. And I get negative 3.21. Okay, and then I can do the same thing here. So in my calculator I can type in negative 10077969. Oops. To the 1/9. Make sure that's in parentheses. And I get approximately negative 6. Okay, that's everything for Section 7. It's pretty easy. We're also going to do Section 8 now. So Section 8 is solving equations with radicals. Actually,